Hi guys, I'm Christine Prosperi and I'm answering your questions on tnick.com. Okay, first question is from @HugsForAislinn. Hi. She asks, what's the most important thing Imogen has taught you? I think the most important thing Imogen has taught me is to be yourself. I know that's a really cliche answer, but it's very true. I think Imogen is crazy and quirky, and it's just amazing that she can kind of be funny and not be scared to, you know, do her own thing or kind of be her own person. So I think that's the best thing that Imogen has taught me and hopefully has taught you guys. Yay. @HazelEyes9060, which reminds me of that Kelly Clarkson song, Behind These Hazel Eyes. Okay, she asks, her name is Danielle. She asks, who influences your style and who is your inspiration? Who influences my style? Kendall and Kylie Jenner, because they're so cool. Did you see them at Coachella? Holy crap. They are amazing. And who is your inspiration? Like in life, my inspiration is my mom, because she is just fab and just is so admirable, and I just love the way she carries herself. But who's my style inspiration? Kendall and Kylie or Jennifer Lopez, because she's just amazing. So yeah. @KLindsay818, or Klindsay, if you will. What's the funniest scene you've ever had to shoot on Degrassi if you had to pick one? I can't pick one, but I can tell you, me and Annie Clark used to have the most giggle fits ever. We were really close on set, so we would kind of just be really comfortable with each other. And we just laugh, and all the camera crew and directors would be like, guys, do your job, figure it out, and like stop laughing. So that's the only thing I can really think of. Usually we get really hyper around like big events like prom or graduation because we're all on set. That's pretty bad. We're all really hyper and annoying, so they probably hate us. That's the only thing I can think of right now, so yeah, probably with Annie Clark. Thank you guys for all the questions. Click around to see more Degrassi Downtime on tnick.com.